Listen and read. A. Bargain. Confirm. Distinguished. Effort. Ensure. Explode. Extravagant. Insist. B. Bargain. To make a bargain. A bargain is something you buy that costs much less than normal. At only 10 cents, this ballpoint pen is a bargain. But made a bargain that I would wash the dishes if you could dry them. Confirm. To confirm one's identity. To confirm somebody's suspicions, fears. The head teacher confirmed that 2 pupils had dropped out. Their strange behavior was enough to confirm my fears. Distinguished. A distinguished pianist. A distinguished career. He had a long and distinguished career in the diplomatic service. Effort. Quite an effort. To make an effort. Without any effort. It takes a lot of effort. It took a lot of efforts to lift this heavy box. Could you try and make an effort to finish all this? Ensure. To ensure the safety. To ensure development. Careful planning. Help to ensure the success of the project. Explode. To fail to explode. To explode a bomb. The rocket exploded high in the sky. Extravagant. An extravagant lifestyle. An extravagant movie star. Would it be too extravagant to buy both dresses? Insist. To insist on something. She insists that she was right yesterday. We insist on the highest standards of service in our hotel.